On the left, the data garden is the central place where all data management tasks can be done. The data collection databases are related to the projects that are created in the data collection section. To find your project in the data garden, the questionnaire should be published to Live at least once. Within a project, the data garden provides a view of the data. Connect imports and data definitions can be managed. Definitions form the basis for your dashboards and reports. CYS lets you define data fields so it is best suited for research and visualization. After this, we ensure you can merge, manage, and improve data when it runs into your ideal structure. Column names, data types, and labeled values do not need to match your source data. By mapping and labeling, data is improved during the process. Here, the challenge is to create a data structure that will work for you and help you to achieve your goals in the questionnaire and in the dashboards. Creating a good list of definitions will make your life much easier along the way. Don't rush this step and ask CYS for help and advice when data is not your thing. Imports allow you to move data into the system. CYS invested enormously in data management. Even with limited quality data or data scattered over different sources, the system will work. Contact CYS support with specific questions or for advice. Every file or source needs an import slot. This can be created using the plus sign. The first step is defining structure of the file or source. For frequent and automated imports, the structure needs to be the same every time. You can easily create the structure by importing an example file. The headers are recognized and definitions created at once. The tab File Sources will allow you to import records using the same structure. Also, automated imports can be set here. In the Data View tab, all the imported records are shown. Every time an import is done, this is logged in the Log tab. The Rule tab allows you to set security rules that prevent the system to import incorrect files. The action after the conditions is always import, so only when the file matches any or all conditions the import is done. To get imported records into your research project, you will need to map the imports to your data collection project. Go to the tab Import Sources and click the plus sign. You can directly add multiple import sources that need to be combined into one project. Each record in each import will become a new record in this database. Improving data or enriching data is not done here. On the right, your project definitions are shown. Missing a field? Add it in the Definitions tab first. On the left, the list of imports is shown using a unique coloring and numbering system. By using simple drag and drop, you are now able to merge unlimited number of files and sources into one well-structured project. You only need to do this once. From now on, every file imported will flow into your project and is automatically merged with other files. Data can be improved, enriched, and structured during this process. Do not forget to switch it on to fill your project with potential respondents. To send out emails, it is crucial that your questionnaire is live, data garden definitions are set, and your import is set and mapped to your projects. Now, respondents can be selected and send a real invite. First, make sure to go to the Schedulers, Planners, and Invitations section to set up your multi-channel data collection. Using the plus sign, you can add the personal email invitation in your project. First, a frequency must be set. Within these timelines, the scheduler is active. Respondents that get selected will be placed on hold until the scheduler is active again and receive the email then. Make sure to set the blacklist, specifically when multiple blacklists are used. Addresses on the selected check blacklists will not receive the mail. Respondents that unsubscribe will be placed on the Remove blacklist. Exclusion rules allow you to temporarily exclude an email ID from participating. Exclusion rules ensure that duplicates are removed and that for a period of choice, this email ID won't receive emails again. Of course, this will only work when the settings are done accordingly. Exception dates are dates when the scheduler is inactive, for example on national holidays or religious dates. Enrollment criteria define when a respondent is selected to receive this email. Security checks can be built in, and you can easily personalize or A/B test using several different emails for different groups. The action after the conditions is always enroll, so only when the record matches any or all conditions the record is enrolled. After enrollment, the blacklist and temporary exclusion is checked. In the Mail tab, the email can be designed, written, and managed. Any design is possible using the HTML CSS tab. General fields like sender, email, reply address will make sure the respondent will recognize your brand and name. Using our handy field picker, personalizing the mail is very easy. Reminder works the same, but you can write another mail. You can also switch it off and choose the number of reminders and the frequency. Enrolled respondents are shown in the Respondent tab. When everything is set and the scheduler runs, it is a matter of time before emails are sent.